Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready, Papa. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. There's nothing as beautiful as old age. Yes, everybody in this life pray to live a unique life, impact on the society, and grow old to go, grow old, grow with great hair and wisdom. Now look at this rare picture of Olu Jacob now and then. Now this guy is someone who has been so active in the Nollywood space, and has really put smile in the faces of Nigerians and the global world entirely. And also he is someone who has this unique voice, unique sound, and trust me, nobody will say he will hate his movie. Everybody loves his movie. Anyway, he clocked 80, and you could see the pictures from where he started and how he is now. Enjoy this clip. Don't forget to subscribe.
Now, when I ask Sir J a question, before I get an answer, I would have finished breakfast or lunch or supper, laid the table before an answer comes, and that has happened since day one. Drives me. Yes, you. Yes.
What about you?
What?
I said, what about you?
What now?
We get invited somewhere,
Okay.
and the invitation is sent to us.
Yes.
You see them, you keep them, and I don't hear or know anything until the day before the event. Is that so?
I think what happens, like, in my head, when I see it in my head, I've told you. Do you understand? And then all
Hello. It is important to exercise the mind. And how often do you exercise your mind? Oh, have a productive day. All right.
the actor's actor, my friend, my brother, and fellow thespian,
Thank you. Thank you very much. There is nothing more important to me than doing my personal best in whatever I do. As a father, as a husband, even as an actor. One does not get everything right every time. There are times you get them wrong. But believe you me, with this award that I have been given, makes me believe that, of course, I do get it right sometimes. I remember after fighting or wrestling or avoiding my father, I left for England without him knowing. I got to England and sent him a letter that I had gone because he didn't want me to go. Let's leave that one. Now, when I finished drama, I couldn't get a job. Why? Because I was not a member of Equity. Equity will not give me a job. They will not give me a card because I didn't have a job. It was like that. There was no answer. I didn't give up. I carried on taking classes. Then a friend of mine phoned one day, we were talking, and he mentioned that the next day he was going for an audition. I snapped in. I said, can I come? He said, well, you think you can come? They always have a list. So if you don't, if you're not there, they just kick you out. So well, let them kick me out. Hopefully they give me a chance to try myself. And I went, I got there. The day of the audition, it was 8 o'clock. I got there at 7. I got there at 7. At around 7:45, a young man came in. He just said hi to me and went in. Then came back with this, really frantic, with a paper and pencil. Said, please, put your name there and your telephone number. I put my name. I became number 1 on the list. I had to try. If you try and you don't succeed, you try and try and try again. That has been the story of this industry the last 20 years. We suffered all sorts of indignation, but we did not give up. My friends didn't want to know me anymore. They didn't even want to see me. Their wives hardly say hello when they saw me and my wife. But they didn't realize that we are very sufficient. We were sufficient. we were accommodating them. They don't know what they're missing. They don't know. So we carried on with our work. And now those people are now phoning regularly. Well, your son wants to act. It is you. You can talk to him. Why? Because now Nollywood can make some money. My advice for the younger ones is that make sure you know what you want. And when you do, pray that you recognize it when you see it. That you want to go into entertainment does not mean that you are an actor. We have been honoring other parts of the creativity. Is it costume? Is it lighting? Is it camera? You don't have to be in front of the camera to succeed. I think a lot of talent abides in Africa. We are very, very talented. We are talented and we are not afraid of challenges because our entire lives have been challenges. And we live with challenges. It's ours. So don't give up. Do what you do as an exercise every day. The repetition of an act makes its performance almost automatic. You do it every day, and it becomes part of you. Don't give up. Work hard. Go. Keep going. People will laugh. They will snigger. You're not working with them. You're on your own.